Today we will be talking about the quotient rule. As we already mentioned before, we did two types of rules for derivatives, which are the power rule and the product rule. The power rule is the most basic function or formula for derivatives, which is f of x is x power n, and being any natural number, the derivative of it is f prime of x is n x n minus 1. The product rule is whenever we have two components multiplied by each other, where we denoted them as u and v, and derivative was u prime v plus v prime u. Now, quotient rule, by its name, is whenever we have a quotient or two stuff in a fraction. For example, 2x squared minus 1 over 3x plus 2. Now, whenever we encounter a fraction, we always take the upper part as a u and lower part as a v. And the derivative of it will be u prime v minus v prime u all over v squared. That's the general formula for the quotient rule. So let's take this as an example. We take u to be 2x squared minus 1, v to be 3x plus 2. Now, what's the derivative of 2x squared minus 1? It will be 4x, and derivative of 3x plus 2 will be 3. We have our u, our v, our u prime, and our v prime. So now we can just replace into the equation. The equation says u prime multiplied by v minus v prime multiplied by u all over v squared. And that's our final equation. Of course, you can expand if you want, but just for the sake of time, I won't expand it. Now, let's do another example just to make sure you understand the concept. Let's take f of x is x4 minus 2x over x squared plus 1. As we mentioned, the numerator is always u and the denominator is always v. And we use f prime of x is u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. U is x4 minus 2x. V is x squared plus 1. U prime is the derivative of u. Derivative of x4 minus 2x will be 4x cubed minus 2. And the derivative of x squared plus 1 will simply be 2x. Now we have our u, v, u prime, and v prime. We can just apply the equation. So u prime, 4x cubed minus 2, times v, which is x squared plus 1, minus v prime, which is 2x, times u, all over v squared. And that's the quotient rule.